So guys, we are going to make a second pizza now. I'm just going to spread this out quickly. I'm going to do the same as my last video, and instead of thin crust mode, this one we're going to do on artisan. Sticking a little bit, let's put a bit more of that under there. Doing that and try and make it a rounder pizza. There we go. So again, we're going to do this with our paper. Just going to throw that on there. Oh, managed to get another roll. We're on a roll today. See, that's coming quite a bit. It's going to stretch that. There's my holy piece again. Stretch that out a little bit on the paper, like that. You get the idea. We're going to put some sauce on that. Just exactly the same as we did last time, really. Save enough for the last one. Sprinkle this on the cheese again. This one we're going to have a little bit of salami on there. And sprinkle of basil. And then we're good to go. And the easy bit is just lifting that up. Now into the oven. Remember, this is a lot hotter temperature. I've turned this down to 2 minutes 30. I normally have mine for 3 minutes, but you do get a bit of a mixed thing with this. Sometimes it's how thin the dough is. What I'm finding with this particular mix today, I don't know if it's the hot weather or what, it feels a bit wetter than usual, a bit stickier and thinner. It's rolling thin, which is something I'm not used to it doing. Oh, wonderful. It's starting to rain now as well. Perfect. So we're going to wait until this is maybe 1 minute, halfway through. It's normally 3 minutes, so we'll go for like 1 minute 25, something like that. It's only 2.5 minutes. You'll see the difference when this noisy plane's gone over. You'll see the difference. The last one, I could just get the paper, take it out, it was all nice and easy. And when you see this one, your initial thought can be quite alarming, but you don't have to be alarmed about it. So obviously this cooks quicker because it's on a lot higher temperature. So we open it up, you can see this paper. What happens a lot, this paper, oh, it is pulling out, but quite often if this just tears off like you've just seen there, you have to slide just slightly under the dough and you'll see lift your pizza out, see underneath. I'll show you in a sec. Let's get that pizza back in. So you see on the paper, see how it's burnt here on the edges, but underneath the pizza has kept it all nice and cool, or cooler underneath. So if all this edging comes off when you come to remove this paper, you don't have to panic. As soon as you lift the first little bit of the pizza up here, you'll see this paper. You can slide the pizza, lift the pizza right up, get this piece and pull it out, same as we did with the other one. So I reckon this pizza might take a little bit longer with me faffing about with the paper. Again, you don't normally get any sort of sticking going in or taking the pizza out, which is what makes it an advantage for a newbie. See, that crust ain't quite ready yet. I want that a little bit longer, so we're going to press start again. Put my rubbish there for later so I don't have to stop the recording. So what I do, if I look at a pizza and it doesn't, I believe it's probably cooked, but it's not how I like it. I like mine almost overdone. So what I'll do, I'll just set the timer going again, and every 30 seconds I'll look in, sometimes 15 seconds if it's close to how I want it. See, now we're looking more like it. And there we go, there's our pizza. You can see you've got a lot more browning on this one. There we go. Pizza number 2 done. And as you can see on this pizza, plenty of browning underneath. Again, some people like it a bit more than that, but that is fine for me.